mayonnaise is the secret. I'm so excited. Was this a secret job interview?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, I'm Jo from Delish, and welcome to The Mashup. It's the show where me and a celebrity guest create a recipe remix. My guest today is an SNL legend and an absolutely hilarious woman.
I am Celine Dion, and I am the best singer in the world.
Anna Gasteyer, please come and join me.
Hi. Wow.
Welcome to The Mashup.
This is what happens every time I walk into my kitchen. Just wild applause.
This is called The Mashup. We're gonna bring in a giant platter of mashed potatoes.
Oh my God, it is a Close Encounters moment. I'm so happy right now. You know, my show, People of Earth, is about aliens, so I think about this moment all the time.
Does this make you feel comfortable or uncomfortable?
No, it makes me super comfortable.
You are special. Bo. What is this? The attitude.
In this giant pile of mashed potatoes are hidden some of our favorite foods at Delish.
Yes.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull out a couple of them and we're gonna mash them together.
What if there's just like a baby in here? Okay. God,
I'm upset.
it's weirdly sensual.
Yeah.
Oh, meatball. Yeah, this would ruin Thanksgiving. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, grilled cheese. This is like the depression meal. So excited for winter. This is like it's raining and you got dumped and it.
You know, you have a history with balls.
My mouth's watering just thinking about those guys.
You wanna chop garlic?
Sure.
Okay, and I'm gonna put the meats together. How about that?
I love it.
Okay, great.
You're gonna marry the meats?
I'm gonna marry the meats. We
That's
got
what she said?
pork.
I don't know why she would say that. Come here, baby, let me marry your meat.
What's the Gasteyer version of Schweddy balls?
I prefer like a cheese, like I said, like a Wisconsin cheese ball. Did you guys like those? They're like, especially when you're drunk, they're unbelievable.
Oh God. Meatballs are in the oven. Sauce is cooking. Let's start building the grilled cheese. And what I've heard and learned over the years at Delish is mayonnaise actually browns better than butter. All right, so I'm doing mozz. Do you want to put some meatballs and some sauce onto that?
Or you could do like a saucy meatballs and sauce and then cut up your grilled cheese as like a toast point with dipping. That's what I call the breakup special.
Dipping things into things.
You dip a cheese-filled mayonnaise fried item into a massive pot of saucy balls. Right?
But you see,
Look at that.
The color.
I mean, that is like
That's the color
Martha
only-
Stewart. She wouldn't kick us out of her dinner party.
I spend 364 days a year suppressing the demons inside me.
This is the color only mayo could give you. Mayo. Is there anything it can't do? So we've got our grilled cheese.
See, that turned out really great.
Can we just get an applause for this grilled cheese?
have
Thank you.
Mayonnaise is the secret.
Do you want to slice it? I want you to toast point this right now.
Okay, well, here is a great moment of motherhood rage that you get to watch, and that is me cutting off the crusts. And it's such horse. The first time that you ever do it, you are selling your soul. You will never not be able to cut the crusts off again. So I'm just doing it now to be, yeah, let's eat them. Because that's the other thing, you eat them.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Fuck you, kid.
I feel like because it's comfort food, we have to
Yeah, he never called.
No,
I called him.
It's unacceptable.
No, it's totally not
It's
cool.
unacceptable.
Because then I'm like, hi, Agnes.
Oh my God. Seriously, bits aside, this is unbelievably delicious. It's not like a Frito pie. Like, you know what that is?
Yes.
It's when you take a bag of Fritos and pour chili in it and you eat while crying.
It's a mashup. That's why it's that good. Thank you, Anna Gasteyer, for coming to see us. She did it. It's been so fun. It's so yummy. Definitely check out the mashup. Definitely
Dang.
like and comment. And we'll see you soon. Thanks.
That's so tasty.
That was delicious.
What's in those meatballs? Are those ones we made?